So good morning. Today I want to pass on to you what I have learned through some guys on the internet on YouTube that are making some type of a remedy to get rid of mice and rats in your shed, in your house, whatever. So this is what I've been using, what they have said, and it seems like it's working because I have evidence that they've been eating in it in some areas. So today I'm going to make it, but I'm going to make it a little different. I'll show you in a second. So I have made it, and I put this cornbread and baking soda inside there. But I found out that mice, maybe the rats, they get in there, they get to take it out and push it around. I did it in my shed, and they just moved it all the way around. One disappeared. I cannot find the container. So now I'm going to do a little different. I am making this, and I'm adding a little water to this flour and this cornbread flour and baking soda. It's mixed already, so I'm making it, and I'm gonna make maybe some bowls, I don't know how, and then I'm gonna put it back over there, and hopefully that'll help me because it seems like I have some mice. I caught a rat. Well, I didn't catch a rat, it was already dead. I'll show you the video later on. But see how it goes. This is what we're going to do. How to get rid of mice or rats, whatever you might have them, with cornbread and baking soda. Well, so we're here now. What? This is, seems like it's a rat. It's here in my shed. And in the past I have put over there. And then it went over there, and then over here. So it was a combination of cornbread and baking soda. And this is the result that it seems to me, unless there is something else in here. I have put some poison before, but I don't know. I'm going to continue checking and see what happens, and I will let you know more. God bless you. Take care. Bye-bye. So I'm not the baker in my house, but I'm making these little bowls from cornbread and baking soda for the mice or rats that I have in my shed. So I'm learning quick. I made some little bowls, and I'm going to take them out there, see if it'll work. I'll let you know more. So I'm making a special delivery to my shed. And so here we go. So this is what I have, some of that stuff, and like I said, I cannot find that container. So now I have put some of those bowls right there, right under there, right over here, over there, and behind here. So we'll see. I found that rat over here going out the door. No, actually it was right here. I was right there. So we're hoping that this will take care of them, and we'll let you know more.